Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 113, pass sum 2. So it's exactly, for the description, it's exactly the same like pass sum 1, but we just need to return all the paths. So for pass sum 1, we just need to return a true or false. We just need to find one of the result. But for pass sum 2, we need to return all the result. But the coding is exactly the same. So let me just start the coding for the pass sum 2. If you want to know why I'm writing like this, you can check my videos for pass sum 1. So while I'm writing the code, I will explain a little bit while I'm writing like this. So basically it is a DFS. So for the DFS, I'm going to traverse all the node from the root to the leaf. If I find one of the result, I'm gonna put it to my result. So I'm gonna define a global variable self.result as empty array. And finally, I'm gonna call the DFS and return my self.result. So basically it's gonna be like this. So actually I don't need to define the self.result. I just need to define a result because the array, it can be a global variable. Now let's just put it like this. After finished all the functions, I'll optimize my code. So let's check what I'm gonna put inside my DFS. So I'm gonna put a node inside because I'm going to traverse from the root node. And from pass sum 1, I have a target value because I'm going to compare the target with my target sum. But I also need to prepare another variable in between. I'm gonna prepare a path. So this path is basically each of the paths. If I find one of the result, I put it inside my self.result. Now let me check if not node, just like pass sum 1. So if there's no node, what I'm gonna do? Let me check. So in the examples, there's no examples like there's no root. But let's check the node. The numbers of node can be 0. So if there's no node, what are we gonna return? We just need to return an empty array. So it's similar like here. Here, for this example 2 and 3, there is a node, but there's no target sum, so we're gonna return an empty array. So we just imagine if there's no node, we still return an empty array. Otherwise, we're gonna check from our testing cases. If it is not empty array, it may be return something else. We just need to find that result. Basically it should be an empty array if there's no node. Now we're gonna check the second condition. If not dot left, so this means we have a node, but we're gonna check if there's no left and no right. So if there's no not dot left and not dot right, but for this condition we have to check the final result. If there's no left and no right, let's just check this example. So for this node 1, if there's no left and no right, there's just node 1. So we're gonna check this value 1 if it is equal to the target or not, target sum or not. So we have to use another condition to check if the target plus the not dot value equal to the target sum. If it is equal, it means we're gonna find one of the result. What are we gonna do? We just put it inside our result. So self.result should append the path. So let me put the path. So from here, my path is still nothing. Let me put the variables inside my DFS. So I'm gonna call a root, and the path gonna be an empty array, and the target gonna start from 0. So I'm gonna have an empty array. So from the beginning, if there's only node 1, so empty array should plus an array. Inside, I'm gonna put a node dot value. So this is a if I have if I neither have if I neither have left side or not have right side, so I gonna just get this root node. So I just need to check if I meet the conditions of target sum. If I meet, I put the path plus my value. Yeah, so this is gonna be a new array. I put it inside my result. Yeah, so this is one condition. Then I'm gonna check the next condition. So if there is not dot left, but I have not dot right. So what I gonna do? So I just gonna return my DFS. So inside I will go to the left side and let's check the path should similarly plus the not dot value, and the target should be the target plus this not dot value. Yeah, this is exactly the same like the path. Yeah, exactly the same like the path sum one from here. The target should plus the not dot value, because finally I'm gonna check from here if this target plus the not dot value equal to my target sum. So this target should always be updated. Yeah, if I go from 1, I will be plus a 1. If I go to 2, I'm gonna plus a 2. So this is the second condition. This is the actually third condition. Now let me just copy the code and let it go to the, this is go to the right side. Now let's just go to the left side. Yeah, let me make it longer enough to keep it one line to make it clear. Yeah, now let's go to the left side. I just needed to change this to right and change here to the left. So I'm gonna go to the right. Yeah, let me check. I need to go to, so if not right and not left. So from here I need to go to the right because I have the right side. Yeah. So from here I need to go to the left side because I have not dot left. Yeah. And the last condition is I need to return both sides. Yeah. For this node 1, if I have node 2 and 3, it means I both have left side and right side. So what I gonna do? I gonna go to the left and go to the right. Yeah, but for this function, I don't need to have a return. Why? Because I just need to put everything inside my result array. I don't need to have a result. I just need to call the DFS function. So I need to delete all those return. So I just need to, traverse it. If it meets the condition, I'm gonna traverse. So yeah, actually this is the, let me check. Yeah, actually this is the entire code. Because for the last condition, I don't need to check. Because I've already checked. If there's any right, I gonna go here. If there's any left, I go here. But if there's both left and right, if there's a right, I go here and here. Yeah, it means I've already checked, so I don't need to write the last code. Yeah. Yeah, if I write it, it will be something like this. Yeah, but it will be duplicated, so I don't need to write. Yeah, if I write it, I think it's gonna be wrong because I've already traversed the left side and the right side. It's gonna be duplicated. Yeah, if there's only right, I go from here, go to the right. If there's only left, I go to the left side. Yeah, so it means I don't need to use this lines of code to check the left and right. Basically, I traversed all the left and the right side. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check if it can pass the testing cases. Oh, there's something wrong. Let's check. Yeah, I got nothing inside. Now let me check. So if there's if not left and not right, I go to the right side. The path should plus the value, and my target should plus the not dot value. And here also I go to the left side and pass. We'll plus the not dot value. Yeah, let me check which wrong. Yeah, I solved this problem yesterday. I think I can solve it today. Let me just debug a little bit. I think basically the result for 2 and 3 works, but for 1 it didn't work. Let me check. For testing cases this works, and this 1 and 2 it also works, because for 2 and 3 basically I put an empty array inside. Yeah, this is the empty array for 2 and 3. It's also empty array. Yeah, it means something wrong with my if condition from here. If I don't have the left side and I don't have the right side, and this target plus the value, my current value, equal to the target sum. And here I also call the function. Yeah, let me delete the code from here and just use the DFS directly. I think it should be the same. Yeah, let's just run it to check. Yeah, now it seems works if I delete those 2 lines of code. Yeah, but basically I think I don't need to comment those 2 lines of code. Yeah, let me just check it. If there's something wrong with my left side and the right side. Not left, and there's only right side. Yeah, I need to go for the DFS. Yeah, let me just check if let me just submit it to check if this lines of code should be okay. Yeah, basically this is should be okay. Yeah, as you can see, it works if I delete those 2 lines of code. But basically, if I delete it, so the function will be like this. So if I meet the conditions, I get one of my result, and then I gonna traverse from the left side and the right side because I don't care if there's no node. If there's no node, I gonna just return an empty array, and then I gonna check if it's left side there's no node, I'm gonna check the right side. If I only find one condition, I gonna put it inside my result. Yeah. Now let me just uncomment it and to check why it is wrong if I check it separately from the left side and the right side. So from the left side, if there is not dot left and I have a not dot right, so I would like to go to the DFS not dot right. So with my path plus the value, let me check. Do I need to plus the value? Yeah, I don't need to plus the value. Yeah, because let me check. I need to plus the value because I go to the right side. I need to plus the not dot value, and I need to plus this target with the not dot value. Yeah, and there's also another condition. If not, I have to use another condition. If there's a not dot left and not dot right. So I'm gonna copy those two lines of code. Yeah, because if I both have left side and the right side. So yeah, so this is basically I checked all the conditions. If there's only right side, I'm gonna go to this branch. If there's only left side, I'm gonna go to the left branch. If I have both side, I go to both branch. Yeah. Now let me just run it and check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to just confirm it can meet all the testing cases. Yeah, as you can see, it works. It is 62% of all Python 3 submissions. It means it is right. Yeah, but as you can see, there's too many lines of code because basically I checked from the left side and right side and both sides. Yeah, from beginning I didn't check from the both side. Actually, it is wrong. Yeah, because I only checked the left side condition and the right condition and the right side condition. What if I both have left and right? Actually, I didn't check it. This is why it is wrong for my testing cases. Yeah, for my testing cases. For this testing cases example one. Yeah, basically I need to check all the testing cases. Actually, I don't need to write so many lines of code. Yeah, no matter there is a left or right, I have to call the function go to the left and right. Because if there's no left or right, I'm gonna use this lines of code to return an empty array. Yeah, because empty array, I didn't put anything inside my result array. I just needed to put it. I just needed to delete all lines of unused, unused code. Yeah, basically the three conditions can become only two lines of code. This is why the DFS for a binary tree problem can always be optimized and makes the code concise. Now let me submit it to check if it works. If it works, I still let me just check. So the time complexity should be O(n) because there are only n nodes. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Now let's go to the code to optimize a little bit about the result. Because for the result, basically we can use this result as a global variable because it is used as a reference. It is not integer. If it is integer, we have to use the self.integer. If it is an array, we can use it directly. Now let me submit it to check if it works. Object has no attribute result. Yeah, I cannot write the code like this. If I want to use the result, I have to put it inside. I have to put the result inside. I think, if I don't want to use the global variables, I think I can optimize it like this. I put the result inside, and now for each of the function call, I still gonna put a result. Yeah, because if I use a result here, normally inside the function call, I cannot use the result because this is a recursive function. So yeah, if I don't want to use the global variable, I have to put my result here. Yeah. Now let's see. Yeah, and finally, I need to have a return of the result. And finally, I just needed to return the DFS. Basically, I saved two lines of code, but it doesn't matter because the main function is inside. Yeah. Now let's just check if it works. Yeah, because I put the result inside my function calls. So the object has no attribute result. Yeah, because it is not self.result. Yeah, I think it is from the self.result. Now let me run it to check. Yeah, as you can see, it also works. Yeah, right. Now let me put the result outside. I believe if I put it outside, normally it should also Yeah, it should also work, but I'm not sure. Let's just check it. If I put the result outside, I delete from here. Yeah, I forget about it. Let me just delete it. If I can put it inside my result. Yeah, so here I need to delete this result. Yeah, I think it should work. Yeah, because the result is not a number. Yeah, as you can see, it also works if I only use the result. Yeah, because this is basically a global variable. After function call, I can still return this result. Yeah, let's just check. Maybe it is wrong. Yeah, it is. Yeah, let's just check if it works. Yeah, it takes so long time. So I'm gonna put the result into my comment. So I'm gonna not wait for it because there's not responding. It's gonna take a long time. So yeah, it will be the video today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.